Hello, third graders. I'm back, Miss Robertson, and you are in my kitchen. So today, since we are working on equivalent fractions, I will show you how to apply it in real life, okay? Since I'm preparing lunch for everybody, I decided to make baked ribs. Now I have my one whole rack of ribs in this container. So what I'm gonna do is I will show you equivalent fractions. So first, this is a whole. And as you can see, the whole will be shared by my family. For now, we have our whole. Now to get the half of it, I'm gonna fold it in the middle. I'll show it to you once it's cut, okay? All right. So, the whole became two halves, and this is how it looks like. Two halves. There's a lot of meat on the other side, but I counted the bones, the ribs itself. So now it's 6 and 6. 6 plus 6 is 12, and my whole is actually 12 ribs. So, how will I make it into fourths? Let's see. First, this is half. If I cut it in the middle, it's going to be fourths. And this is the size of my fourths. Hey everybody, I'm back. So I am done rubbing the spices on the ribs. And as you can see, it's already ready for us to bake, and we're gonna put that in the oven. Now boys and girls, remember I told you the whole rack is my one whole, and since 4 people are going to share this, I cut them into fourths. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each person will get 1/4, and this is our 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. Now it's time for me to put the ribs in the oven. Be careful because it's really, really hot. It's 400 degrees. Okay. Bye-bye, ribs. Whoop! Okay. The ribs in the oven. And boys and girls. So boys and girls, I want to check my ribs in 30 minutes. So if I'm going to put a timer for 30 minutes. This is elapsed time. Remember our lesson about elapsed time? 30 minutes started now. And so if it is 12:45, what time is it going to be? The answer will be later. See you. And see what time is our ending time after 30 minutes. And I need to check my ribs. So what time is it? The clock says is 1:15. This is, oh, that's not the right time, but this is the right time. 1:15, from 1:35 to 1:15, and that is our elapsed time, 30 minutes. Hi boys and girls, I think the ribs are ready. Are you ready to see the ribs? All right, as you can see, the ribs are actually ready with a side of mac and cheese. Somebody couldn't wait. Somebody ate the mac and cheese without the ribs. So, remember that this is our whole, and I cut the ribs in halves. And then after that, since we are 4 in the family, this will be for the kids and for me and my husband. But if they decided, okay, not to eat ribs, sometimes they don't like meat, so they just eat mac and cheese. My husband and I can share half and half, or 1/2 is equivalent to 2/4. That's our equivalent fraction. Okay. Yum!